Hello everyone and welcome to Luxy Bites, where I teach you how to become rich and successful in life. In today's video, I will very briefly reveal to you 4 secrets that rich and successful people follow. We will talk about this in detail in a later video, and how you can apply them to your own life. You will be changed when you start doing these 4 steps. The first secret is the mindset of the rich. The rich have a positive and abundant mindset. They believe that they can achieve anything they want, and they are always learning and growing. They don't let fear, doubt, or negativity stop them from pursuing their goals. They also have a clear vision of what they want and why they want it, and they focus on the value they can provide to others. The second secret is the habits of the rich. The rich have a disciplined and consistent routine. They wake up early, exercise, meditate, read, and plan their day. They also prioritize their most important tasks, avoid distractions, and delegate or outsource the things they don't enjoy or are not good at. They also spend less than they earn, save and invest their money wisely, and create multiple streams of income. The third secret is the skills of the rich. The rich have a high level of competence and confidence in their chosen field. They are always improving their skills and knowledge, and they are always looking for new opportunities and challenges. They also have excellent communication and persuasion skills. They can connect with anyone, influence others, and sell their ideas and products. They also have a strong network of mentors, peers, and partners who can support them, advise them, and collaborate with them. The fourth secret is the strategies of the rich. The rich have a smart and effective system. They set smart goals, measure their progress, and adjust their actions accordingly. They also have a growth mindset. They embrace failure, learn from their mistakes, and try new things. They also have a long-term vision. They think big, act small, and compound their results over time. These are the 4 secrets of the rich and successful people, and if you follow them, you will be rich too. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.